A week and a half into the school year and major changes could be in store for Boise State as a warning is sent out about the possible ramifications from the rising positive cases in the near future for students and staff. Good evening. We begin with today's major announcement on campus from University President Marlene Tromp.
If COVID-19 cases continue to rise on the Boise State campus, classes could go remote. Large events like football games could be delayed or canceled.
Sports Director Jay Tust is going to join us in a moment from Orlando, but we begin at Boise State, where our Tristan Lewis got reaction on campus. And Tristan, what's the feedback that you heard today from students and staff?
Well, Mark, a lot of disappointments coming from students as soon as they saw that email from Trump. A lot of freshmen I spoke with say they can't imagine spending their first year at college without in-person classes or events to help meet people. So it's not just administrators that are asking for help keeping people safe, it's the students who just want to see some normalcy back in their lives. High hopes for many Broncos this school year, especially after coming out of one that was not so desirable.
Well, it seemed like things were getting better with the vaccine rollout, and it did seem like, especially on Boise State, vaccination rates were going up even if they weren't optimal yet.
I didn't really get to experience my freshman and sophomore year all the way through in person, so I'm really enjoying it so far, and I hope we get to stay in person.
The fear of moving to remote learning again spread to students and staff all over campus Wednesday after President Marlene Tromp sent out a warning. If COVID cases increase on campus, Boise State will likely go online or hybrid and cancel events.
Very disappointing because I was expecting this year to be full of new fun experiences and be in person, and it's kind of all getting taken away all of a sudden, kind of like it did last year.
The memo states cases on campus are on track to outpace with what the school saw last year. 75 cases have been reported on campus since school began last Monday, with just 56 of those from this week alone. According to Trump's letter, students are also reporting more severe symptoms from the Delta variant.
I think that it's the right decision to keep people safe. We don't need people to get sick, and we don't want people to die.
Trump says what happens next is largely with the campus community's control. The school already requires face masks while indoors and at any large outdoor gatherings.
With the exception of people walking outside, everybody wears a mask in my classes and my buildings. I think we're doing our part. I hope it helps.
The administration continuing its push for people to get vaccinated, along with some students.
If you want things to go back to normal, we have the vaccine. Please just get it.
Administrators and student leaders are talking with organizations and departments on other steps on how to slow the spread of COVID-19. That being said, the Boise State home opener is still scheduled for September 10th. Mark and Kim?
Yeah, I think when we made the announcement that it could affect football games, I have a feeling a lot of ears perked up at home tonight. All right, Tristan, thank you.